Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have Redmi Buds Executive headphones and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with a Windows PC. At first we have to hit on this Windows icon at the bottom and tap Settings over here. Now we have to go into Bluetooth and devices at the left, and here we have to tap Add device. Here Bluetooth, and now we have to open our case lid and enter pairing mode by holding this button over here. Now we are in pairing mode and let's check if there are our headphones. As you can see, Redmi Buds Executive, we have to click on it and your device is ready to go. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.